Yeah, Vic, Alicia, good morning. We're at the corner of Beaufort and Sylvester, and that building that you see over my shoulder that is burning, that is J&G Pallet and Trucking. That is a family business, a very unfortunate situation. There are family members here. They were on their way to work, and this is what they wake up and come to work to see. This fire started early this morning. As a matter of fact, as we were driving down the lodge headed to downtown Detroit, we saw what looked, I can only imagine, was a transformer blowing or something like that. It was a quick flash, and that was it. And then minutes later, we hear about this fire, so we rush over to the scene and see this spectacular fire. Telephone poles across the street from the fire are on fire at this point. They're spraying the building, the warehouse that is across the street. On the back end of this piece of property, there are also homes, and so there is a danger that this fire could spread because, I mean, let's face it, this is a pallet factory, so it's a tinderbox, and as it catches fire, as it burns, the fire is getting hotter, it is growing, and there is an immediate danger that the homes on the other side would catch fire. Crews are dousing those homes and the surrounding structures with water, trying to keep that from spreading. But as I mentioned, a telephone pole across the street, some 15 to 20 feet away from the pallet factory, has actually caught fire. And so obviously the flames are spreading, embers are floating, and with all the smoke that you see, it's kind of hard to see where those embers are going and exactly what is taking place. We'll try to get some information from some of the family members who work and own the J&G Pallet and Trucking Company to get their thoughts on what is taking place, as well as how long that company has been in business. But I understand that there are a lot of folks who are employed there, and so at this point they have lost their livelihood. A lot that is taking place right now, but we will have more updates for you a little later in the show. For now, that is the very latest from Sylvester and Beaufort, just east of Gratiot. Malcolm Maddox, 7 Action News.